Hello, this is a demo to show new Steel social media clients how to create a business manager. A business manager will allow us or any other partners or consultants you have to access your ad accounts, your ad campaigns, your Facebook business pages, and if all that doesn't mean anything to you yet, no worries. What it allows you to do in the end, though, is retain all your assets like your ad graphics and your ad copy and your ad data in the future if you choose to work with other agencies or just to keep it for your own use in the future. The business manager will allow us to help you manage these assets and make sure that you get to hold on to them. So you might have already run a ad account without a business manager, or you might not have run ads at all in the past, but we'll go through the different steps you can take to make sure that your business manager is set up correctly. So first, what you want to do is go to business.facebook.com, as you can see here, and there is a screen in the right-hand corner that says create an ad account, and that's what you want to click on. Once that pops up, you'll just enter a name for your business account, probably the name of your business, but it can really be anything that you want. And then click continue. Then just add your information, your name, and your business email. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have admin access to your business page on Facebook. If you're an employee of the business and you don't have full admin access, I would ask for that access or have the admin go through these steps themselves. So after you create your business manager, it will open to a setup screen. Or if you already have a business manager, you might have to go to this button in the corner called Business Settings to access the same information. But what we want to do now is make sure that all your assets are connected to your business manager. So you can either click on the buttons that pop up in this kind of guide for new users, or you can click on the Business Manager tab at the top navigation, or the blue button on the right-hand corner, Business Settings. It will all get you to the same thing. This is where we make sure all your assets are connected to your business manager. The first thing you want to do is connect your page. Simply click Pages and click Add. There's a couple different options here. You want to request Add a Page since you're already an admin of that page. Request access to a page would just be if you want to manage someone else's page, but you don't need to worry about that. Next, type in the name of your Facebook page, which is probably named after your business, and it should pop up pretty quickly, especially if you only own one or a few pages. And then just select Add Page. And there you go, your page is now connected to your business manager. The next thing we want to think about is your ad account. So if you haven't run ads before, you don't need to worry about this. If you have an existing ad account that you might have used when you're using your Facebook account manager, you want to add that only if there are funds in there that you still want us to use to manage your future ads. If not, then you can completely skip this step. But to add existing funds, you just select Add Accounts and select the blue Add button. Same thing here, you just add an account because you already own the account. You'll add your account ID, which you can copy and paste from your Facebook Ad Account Manager under Settings. Copy and paste that in there, and you'll be able to select Add an Ad Account. Next thing we want to think about is your pixels. So you might not have any idea what this is, and that's fine. We'll walk you through that in the future. But if you've already had another agency running ads for you in the past, or your website developer have had code embedded into your website called Facebook Pixels, we'll want to make sure this is connected. So you should be able to click Add and find your existing pixel code. Again, if you haven't done this before, don't worry about it. If this screen comes up that says Create a Facebook Pixel, I would just close it because most likely that means you haven't used pixels in the past, and we can set that up for you. Next, you want to think about your Instagram account. If you already have an Instagram for your business, I definitely recommend adding that. Even if you're not active on there at the moment, sometimes we can test running ads to your Instagram page and see how those perform compared to other placements of your ads. So if that's not something you want us to even consider, then don't feel like you need to connect your Instagram account. But again, we do recommend it if you have one. So you just click Add and enter the same login information that you would normally use to log into your Instagram account. Finally, the last thing is domains. This is just where you type in your existing domain, such as it's usually a www domain that your business is associated with. And that's really all you have to do for the most part to connect all your existing assets to your business manager. And that way, whenever anyone needs access to your Facebook page, they can request to be added as a partner, which you'll do with Steele Social Media. So you click on Partners in the top nav, as I just did, and click the blue Add button. We'll include our business partner ID in the information sent to you along with this video. All you have to do is copy and paste it into this box. And that allows Facebook to find us and connect us to your business manager account. So again, you just copy and paste this from the information we send you, pop it in here, click Next. There you go. And this is where you want to make sure that you assign those assets that you just assigned to your business manager to allow us access as well. So you can click here and keep going through the tabs. And for each asset type, it will ask you to assign a role. We recommend page admin. In addition to advertiser, just in case we need to make any changes for you. And click Assign Assets. The other things we have to make sure that we have access to are your ad accounts. If you want us to have access to existing funds, again, your pixels. So these are the same things we ran through before, and your Instagram account. And finally, your domain. And then you click Assign Assets. And now we have access to your Facebook page, your ad account, your pixel coding, and your Facebook page. And that's really all there is to it. So thanks for going through this. I know it's a little bit complicated sometimes. So if you do have any questions or problems, either just shoot us an email or call, and we can easily set up a web sharing screen so we can walk you through it live. Thanks again for working with us.